Apple. Apple has launched the iPhone SE2, which has the most potential of getting repairs, as almost all the parts can be replaced by the iPhone 8. Everything in iPhone SE2 is replaceable. Its screen replaceable, body replaceable, even cameras are replaceable with the iPhone 8. It's similar to design with the iPhone 8. So getting iPhone repairs would not be a pain anymore in the pockets if you're getting a brand new iPhone SE2. Intel has finally come up with something to beat the AMD. Intel has launched the 10th generation core processors and claim it to be the fastest processors available in the world. They are based on the old Gen architecture but a boost in the clock speeds up to 5.2 GHz. It is like beating the competitor with the speed, but the overall performance is yet to be known. Once it's available in the market and the whole situation going around is back to normal. Xiaomi has been brought into the circle for recording user data, but Xiaomi strikes back at the claim stating that all data is collected by taking permissions from the users. The users grant permission and the data is adequately stored in various servers and go with all the local laws, and a few apps, the Mi browser, are getting the data. Researchers are still working to find if other apps are also being targeting. If you want to read more, you can go to the official blog statement of Xiaomi at blog.me.com. Finally, Google and Apple has started testing the warning API they made for alerts relating to COVID-19. The API expected to be made available somewhere around mid-May. But don't worry, we are ahead. Yes, we are ahead and have Arogya Setu. It is optimized and completely focused to give an alert based on your location and Bluetooth data. So, have you downloaded it, the Arogya Setu? It makes you aware about the affected people nearby you. If talking about the Arogya Setu, few workers were made mandatory to download the app, and now they have struck back at the government by a petition to make it non-mandatory. They feel that downloading an app won't protect them directly. So the global market is thriving with the COVID-19, and around 4% decline is there due to the pandemic. But on the other hand, Indian market has a growth because India was hit in the later half, or I would say almost at the end of the quarter with the pandemic. Talking more about the pandemic, Give India, an online news startup, has come up with an online concert, I for India, with various great personalities like Priyanka Chopra, Jacqueline Fernandez, Katrina Kaif, with an official partnership with Facebook to raise funds through fundraiser on Facebook at facebook.com/i4india fundraiser. And it's time for the quick tech. If you are spending time by playing games on Steam, you won't be able to use your SteamVR on your Mac. Steam has officially ended the support for SteamVR on Mac, so Windows is the best. Microsoft Your Phone app of Windows let you now control the music on your device while you are working on PC. TikTok, a well-known name application, has introduced the feature to report misleading and fake news about COVID-19 that would be there on their platform. Amazon claims that operations in India have most suffered for them as many orders and products sold by them were unable to be taken, and in these times it's quite hard for them to maintain adequate stocks and the online delivery systems being broken up due to lockdowns. Reliance Jio reports a growth of 73% after their partnership with Facebook. Yes, Facebook has acquired a major stake in Reliance Jio. Instagram is bringing more fonts to the Story tab to help creators increase their creativity. Now you will have more fonts on your Instagram stories, so go creative. Facebook is coming up with messenger rooms. They already had like WhatsApp messengers where people can go with video chats, but now messenger rooms is a place where 50 people can come together at the single time, and they focus with this app to crush the video conference market. Google has launched a report which states the various research data of India in the recent days. Few new searches which didn't mark anywhere in like before 15-30 days are now trending, like the nearest home delivery place, nearest Kriana stores. So you can know more by checking the official report on Google. So this episode ends here.
Nice.
And see you in the next. Till then, stay safe, stay home.